Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to download and install Anydesk on Windows 10 11s. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started with Anydesk, open Google and type Anydesk. The first link that appears should be anydesk.com. Click on that link. Once you're on the Anydesk website, look to the top right corner for the download option and select it. Then, click on Download Now. Anydesk is available for virtually every operating system, but in this example, we're downloading it for Windows. So, select Windows and click on Download Now. The file is quite small, just about 4 MB, so it should download quickly. Once the download is complete, double-click the file to open it. This will bring up the Anydesk dialog box. You'll see an option to install Anydesk. Click on that. You'll then see the installation path and options to create a desktop icon. This setup is fine for most users, but if you don't want the printer option, you can uncheck that box. Enable automatic updates if you like, and leave the other settings as they are. Finally, click Accept and Install. And that's it. Anydesk is now successfully installed. To open it, just go to your search bar and type Anydesk. The application should appear. You'll see your unique address, which you can give to someone else if you want them to access your system. Conversely, if you want to access someone else's system, you'll need to enter their address in the provided field. So that's basically how to download and install Anydesk on Windows 10 11s. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.